विल पावर लड़कियों की बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है, मेंटली दे आर वेरी स्ट्रांग, दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. दे कैन टेक एनी फिजिकल पेन, बट व्हेन इट्स अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, जहाँ वो पुलिंग और उसकी आती है, उछल कूद की आती है, तो आई थिंक हम वहां थोड़ा लैक कर जाते हैं. आज आपका दिन है, कल आपका शायद दिन ना हो. सो यू नो इट्स टोटली अप टू दैट. यू कैन नॉट प्लान, ओ टुडे आई टुक 6 steps, tomorrow I'll take 8 steps. No, you never know what is going to happen tomorrow.
Hello everyone, welcome to peoplemoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today joining me for a very khatarnak chat is Sana Maqbool, who's all set to enter Khatron Ke Khiladi. Hi Sana, how have you been?
Hi, I'm good. How have you been?
I have been great. So, Sana, ever since we have heard of course, the full list of Khatron Ke Khiladi, the audience is, of course, very excited to watch it, because the times are not so great, so they will be entertained by the show. But you tell me, what prompted you to be a part of the show?
I think I've always been a fan of Khatron Ke Khiladi. I've always watched Khatron Ke Khiladi. It was one of my bucket list, I would say, and it just got ticked off. So yeah, when they were casting for the show, I was like, why not? Let me just do it. I mean, I didn't even hesitate. Like, मैंने ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लिया. I feel it's an opportunity for me, and I was like, let me just do it. Like, एक ऐसा show है जहाँ पे आपका सारा डर निकलता है, and I think क्रीपी क्रॉलीज हो, या फिर हाइट हो, या फिर अंडर वाटर हो, या फिर एनी स्टंट्स, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टंट आप अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में नहीं करते हो. सो आई थिंक आई वाज मोर एक्साइटेड फॉर द एडवेंचर पार्ट, आई वुड से दैट. सो या, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
Okay, same here. Agree. Also tell me, you have been in the television industry for so long, and you have been a part of some great shows. Do you think now Khatron Ke Khiladi, a reality show, it's going to like sort of change the game for you? Because once you do a show like Khatron Ke Khiladi, there are so many other shows that get offered based on your performance in this one.
See, TV has always been a part of me. I wouldn't say that. I mean, it's my choices that I chose to do one thing at a time. I have never taken a show back to back. Like, if you see my show thing, I've always played my age. I've never want to be someone beyond my age. Like, if I'm playing a 24-year-old girl, I want to be 24-year-old girl. So I've always taken up projects like that. I've never got into the typical daily drama, what Indian television is all about. But I've always done young, vibrant shows where I am being myself. And Khatra, I don't know whether it will change many aspects for me in terms of work, but yeah, you never know. And I also don't know. I mean, I'm not thinking about that as of now. All I am thinking right now is the excitement, nervousness, and that dar of Khatron Ke Khiladi. So yeah.
Definitely, I'm sure. And of course, talking about the show, it needs sometimes intense training and preparation, and actors go on these really, strong diets, and they follow a health routine. So what is it with you?
See, with me, I've always, it's been a year. I do kickboxing. I have, since last year, I've started it because I feel, I wanted some change in my, I'm not a gym person. मुझे gym का जी भी नहीं आता. I've always been a cardio person. मैं run पे जाती हूँ, मैं walk करती हूँ. मैंने कभी yoga, continuously कभी किया नहीं. I've tried yoga. I've tried everything, but I've never been constant on anything. पिछले एक साल से I have been doing kickboxing, and that's about it. And I think ट्रेनिंग की अगर आप बात करें तो मुझे ट्रेन होना था, बहुत सारी चीजों में ट्रेन होना था. लाइक मुझे स्विमिंग नहीं आती है, मुझे ड्राइविंग नहीं आती है. तो ये सब चीजें में मुझे ट्रेन होना था. बट आई थिंक लुकिंग एट द करंट सिचुएशन ऑफ द पैंडेमिक एंड एवरीथिंग बीइंग शट अराउंड अस, स्विमिंग तो पिछले 1-1.5 साल से बंद है. सो जिम तो बीच में शुरू हुए थे, एंड देन अगेन इट्स शट. सो ट्रेनिंग as such ऐसे कोई हो नहीं पाई है. So I would just say God bless me. How I'm going to do it, I don't know. But yeah, I think the show must go on. So looking forward.
Talking about, of course, the fear, what is your biggest fear?
Oh, So see, my biggest fear, I would say ये सब हम डेली लाइफ में करते नहीं. So I think मुझे डर
Hmm.
सब चीज से लगता है. हाइट हो, वाटर हो, फायर हो, ड्राइविंग नहीं
Hmm.
आती है, क्रीपी क्रॉलीज हो, एक कॉकरोच देख लेते तो आप चिल्ला लेते हो. मैं तो छिपकली देख लेती हूँ तो मैं भाग जाती हूँ रूम छोड़ के. So I think lizards I don't like, but last year I had an accident where the dog bit my, he bit my cupid paw, and तो मुझे पेट पेट से डर लगने लग गया कि बेजुबान, मतलब जानवर, कोई भी जानवर हो,
Hmm.
बेजुबान जानवर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही और शी माइट बी गोइंग, गोइंग थ्रू. सो वो एक बेजुबान जानवरों से डर लगने लगे कि ये कभी भी आप पे अटैक कर सकते हैं. तो वो डर मुझे निकालना है. वो कुछ भी हो, सांप हो, वो चूहा हो, कुछ भी हो, ये जो बेजुबान जानवर होते हैं ये कभी भी आप पे अटैक कर सकते हैं, ऐसा मुझे अभी लगता है. So I think वो एक डर जो मेरे अंदर बैठ गया है, that I'm scarred for life, that the dog bit me, and that has left a scar so bad that I want to erase that scar. कि irrespective, ठीक है, that was my bad time. Maybe the dog was not in his senses. Uh, all I was doing, I was just petting him, I was loving, I was playing with the dog, and he just attacked me. So I think वो एक डर मुझे निकालना है कि ये मैं जिंदगी भर, लाइक आई एम यंग राइट नाउ, बट मैं अपनी लाइफ टाइम के लिए, अभी मैं कुत्ता भी देखती हूँ ना स्ट्रीट पे, आई चेंज माई रूट, लाइक मैं वो रास्ता बदल देती हूँ. सो आई थिंक वो एक डर मुझे निकालना है. वो एक पर्सनल फियर है एनिमल्स का, कोई भी जानवर हो, किसी भी टाइप का हो, वो मुझे एक डर निकालना है. एंड yeah, but if you ask me any sort of phobias, you have many phobias, many phobias. हाइट नहीं पसंद है, पानी नहीं पसंद है. ऐसे अपनी हाइट के हिसाब से मैं स्विमिंग कर लेती हूँ. स्विमिंग
Hmm.
मतलब पानी में चली जाती हूँ, स्विमिंग नहीं
Hmm.
आती है. ड्राइविंग नहीं आती है बिकॉज आई हैड एन एक्सीडेंट. पार्किंग लॉट में मैंने गाड़ी ठोक दी थी. आई वाज अ लर्नर, एंड तब से मुझे ड्राइविंग का फोबिया हो गया है, दैट आई कैन नॉट, मैं अपना हाथ भी अगर स्टीयरिंग व्हील की तरफ रखती हूँ तो मेरा हाथ कांपता है. सो इट इज लाइक दैट. So ये सब चीजें हैं which I think the show is all about that, to overcome
Yeah.
your fear, and I'm all, like, I'm all set to do that, to have that change in me.
Okay, perfect. And of course, whoever has earlier participated in Khatro Ke Khiladi, they've always said that Rohit Shetty is like the most fun-loving host, and they have had lots and lots of fun with him. So, are you also looking forward to that?
Yes, I all my interviews I've actually said this. I said I've always adored that personality on screen, and I think जब वो मेरे सामने आएंगे तो how am I going to adore it? I don't know. But as a person and as a personality, I look up to it. I really like him like that, and मुझे उनकी कुछ qualities है जो बहुत अच्छी लगती है. When you're performing a task as a contestant, एक आदमी की आवाज गूंजती है, वो रोहित शेट्टी की होती है कि ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो, ऐसे नहीं वैसे करो.
हाँ.
सो आई थिंक उस टाइम पे आपको मोटिवेट करना, गाइड करना, हेल्प करना, he does that for you. And I think that's someone which, he's someone you want to look up to. So मैंने टीवी में देखती हूँ, मैं उनको ऐसा अडोर करती हूँ कि वाओ, अभी मैं उनके सामने खड़ी रहूंगी, उनके साथ काम करूंगी. So I don't know how I'm going to react on it, but I'm excited meeting him.
Oh, that's great. And of course, we have seen before also, Sana, that Big Boss and Khatro Ke Khiladi like go hand in hand. So many contestants, even this season from Big Boss, are joining Khatro Ke Khiladi. So are you also, looking forward to being in Big Boss sometime soon?
I wouldn't comment on that as of now, but if offered, why not? Like, why not? Like, I think life is one, and last year taught us many things, that no matter
Yeah.
what you plan, God has His own way. So I am not going to plan anything, but if it comes across, to me, they offer me, why not? I will think about it. So I'm open to it.
Okay. Okay, great. And of course, Khatro Ke Khiladi in terms of TRP has always achieved great heights, but also the pandemic, not a lot of new shows are airing on TV right now. So do you think that will also sort of motivate more people to watch, and the viewership of Khatro will increase even more this season?
I think yes, it will, because times around, they want to see something different, and
Yeah.
this shows, मैं as an audience, मैं आपसे as an audience बात करूंगी, that I have watched the show, like
Hmm.
I've seen the last year का season also, and TV पे देखा था, and I think there's this different, जब आपको अच्छा लगता है, like when you watch it, अरे ये डर रही है, अरे ये ऐसा हो रहा है, अरे ये वैसा हो रहा है, so we enjoy that as an audience. I'm talking to you. So I think yes, we will have a different season this year.
Yeah, agreed. And of course, talking about the concept of the show, a lot of people and past contestants have also said this, that there is no particular strategy that you can follow because the tasks are there and you have to just perform. But even having said that, is there any plan or is there any motivation that you have set in your mind that no matter what, I'm going to do this, something of that sort?
See, I do not want to back out. This is what I would want to say, that there's no
Okay.
strategy. In a show like this, you cannot
Yeah.
strategize anything. I mean, see, it's totally, आज आपका दिन है, कल आपका शायद दिन ना हो. So, it's totally
Mhm.
up to that. You cannot plan, oh, today I took 6 steps, tomorrow I'll take 8 steps. No, you never know what is
Yeah.
going to happen tomorrow.
Awesome.
So, but strategy ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but ये thought जरूर है that, I want to do all the tasks possible. जो भी stunts हमें दिए जाएंगे मुझे वो करना है, and I want to do it in a good speed and in a good time, in any possible way. I want to perform. भले वो टाइम ज्यादा हो कम हो मुझे उस पर मैटर नहीं करना है. आई एम हियर फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई वॉन्ट टू ओवरकम माई फियर्स एंड आई वॉन्ट टू नो वॉट इज माई स्ट्रेंथ. बेसिकली लाइक मैं कौन से, एज आई सेड आई एम नॉट अ जिम पर्सन, तो मैंने कभी 5-6 किलो का सामान मैं उठा लेती हूँ, बट उससे ज्यादा मैंने कभी कुछ उठाया नहीं रहेगा. यू नो
Yeah.
सो अभी अगर मुझे आप 10 किलो बोल दो एक हाथ से उठाओ, तो मे बी विद इन 2-3 सेकेंड शायद मैं उसको उठा लूँ, शायद मैं नहीं उठा पाऊँ. तो ये मैं अपने लिए कर रही हूँ, लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर माई
Yeah.
सेल्फ. सो मेरा बस ये थॉट प्रोसेस रहेगा दैट आई डोंट वांट टू गिव अप. आई वांट टू डू व्हाट आई कैन डू. सो
Okay, definitely. And we'll be, of course, looking forward to seeing that in the show. Also, of course, Sana, in the past, I think past season, we saw Karishma Tanna and Nia Sharma. They won the show, and the Made in India version and the real version as well. But in the past 5 years, we saw male contenders winning it, and there was sort of this debate that Khatro is won by more of the male contenders. But according to you, how do you see this as? Because of course, agreed, it's a strength-based show, but then of course, willpower is also needed, which I think it's not gender-based.
no, see, I would say because a show like this has a lot of strength. It's a strength thing, and a man has more strength than a woman. Will power लड़कियों की बहुत strong होती है. Mentally, they're very strong. This is what I feel.
Yeah.
They can take any physical pain, but when it's about strength, जहाँ वो पुलिंग और उसकी आती है, उछल कूद की आती है, तो आई थिंक हम वहां थोड़ा लैक कर जाते हैं. सो वेयर कंपेरेटिवली बॉयज की ज्यादा होती है, मैन की ज्यादा होती है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू, आई वांट अ वुमन टू विन. मे बी यू नेवर नो,
Yeah.
आई वांट टू विन.
Yeah.
सो आई एम हियर फॉर अ टफ फाइट एंड आई डोंट वांट टू गिव अप, और आई डोंट वांट टू लूज कि अरे लड़की है. यू नो
Of
I don't
course.
want to have that thing in the show कि लड़का कर रहा है तो लड़की नहीं कर सकती. No, like
Mhm.
आप जब in the briefing also I was like I've never seen a woman winning this show. Like Katie won last time, but
Mhm.
इतनी ज़्यादा, if you see, there have always been a man as a winner. There's never been a
Yeah.
woman as a winner. So I think I want this season's winner to be a woman.
Definitely. And all the very best to you for that.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sana, for chatting with me. It was a pleasure having you. All the best.
Thank you so much for having me.